Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bean salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cans of beans, such as cannellini, kidney, and garbanzo, all rinsed and drained thoroughly. Next, chop 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and half of a red onion into small, uniform pieces. Finally, grab some fresh parsley, a good quality olive oil, and apple cider vinegar for the dressing. Now, let's create the perfect dressing to elevate our bean salad. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. A small pinch of sugar can also be added to balance the flavors beautifully. Whisk until everything is well combined and emulsified. With our ingredients prepped and dressing made, it's time to bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the rinsed beans and all the chopped vegetables. Pour the freshly made vinaigrette over the mixture. Using a large spoon or spatula, toss everything thoroughly until every bean and vegetable piece is evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to truly meld. Your delicious bean salad is now ready to enjoy. This versatile dish makes a fantastic side for grilled meats, a light lunch, or a vibrant potluck contribution. Before serving, give it a final stir and garnish with some extra fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and flavor. Store any remaining salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and tasty for up to 3 days. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.